and yeah. Testing with the internal mic, so I'm expecting to hear some clink clink clink. Well, not some noise from this 18f2, as it's a fairly noisy, chunky old thing. But using the monitor, I can see it's tracking me. Until I've looked back, I won't be 100% sure. But yeah, let's move. And I would expect that with this lens, it's not the smoothest experience. Frankly, let's see if I get back a bit more. I'm not really in the best position here. It seems to be doing a decent job. I mean, we're at f2. Shutter speed 48. 4K, 24 frames per second. To all intents and purposes, seems to be following me just fine. Let's put somebody in the way and see what happens. There we go, that's better. Now, I've done this specifically here because there's a lot of stuff going on in the background, and then I've used this guy because he clearly has a face almost the same. Now, it's not too sure about this, but that's not a big deal. And pretty good. Let's try with a different lens.